Welcome to Mallorca, Spain, and the VISTASOL Apartments on the island of Mallorca. Purpose of this video is to give you as much information by way of a walkthrough. We are going to show you all the amenities at VISTASOL, the pool, etc. And we'll also take you up to the room and give you a room tour, talk about how much it costs, why we chose this place, the proximity to the airport, and the A11 bus that dropped us off right here at the VISTASOL Apartments. Let's go! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Mallorca, Spain. Just for context, we have a map here. I'll circle this section right here. This is where the VISTASOL Apartments are located, down along this coast here. Now, Palmanova is just north of these apartments that we're going to be showing you today. This was the original touristy area. This was basically where it all started in Mallorca here. And I'll circle this section right here. This is the airport. I'm going to give you a little background. We are landing at that airport. Maybe you've already seen my video on landing at the Mallorca airport. And I was thinking, we want to get along this coast here by Palmanova, Magaluf, and we wanted to check out this coast and the beaches here just for a couple days. And we thought this would be a good kind of Airbnb apartment, a hotel to go to kind of see a bunch of beaches along this coast here. Now, I'll just say that the A11 bus goes from the airport right along this beachfront here, and this is why I chose the VISTASOL, because the A11 bus stops right at the bottom of the hill by it. I'll circle this section right here. VISTASOL is basically considered in Magaluf, which is kind of one of the secondary beach resorts. And I'll circle this section right here, which is the Palmanova, which was the original kind of beach resort along here. So my thinking was, we're going to land at the airport, we're going to get on this bus, A11, very cheap, and it's going to take us right to the VISTASOL, right just down the hill from it. I thought it was a good kind of idea, and we could basically explore this part of Mallorca for the first 2 days and see a bunch of these beaches. So let's get on with the walk. All right, here we are outside the VISTASOL main entrance, and I basically told you that we picked this place because we could get on that bus at the airport and it could take us right into the heart of the beach area here. We are going to walk through the foyer. I'm going to show you around the pool, some of the amenities. That is where you check in right there. Hotel staff, they were friendly. It looks like a really clean place here. And if you're looking for some tourist things to do, there's somebody that mans that desk if you have any information about things you want to do around Mallorca. Now, I will give you a little bit of information here. These apartments have kitchens in them, and that's another reason why we booked it. There's also a kitchen here where you can get some food inside here and outside. There are a number of places you can have breakfast. We do not have the breakfast included, but we have the kitchen upstairs. So we will show you this area and the pool, and then we will go upstairs and show you through a room. And we just arrived, got off our plane, Barcelona to Mallorca. You got a pool table right there. Also some more seating back there for some food. And there's a ping pong table just around the area. There's a nice pool. There's going to be a whole bunch of people out there. I've kind of got the sound down because there's a whole bunch of tunes cranked. So if you're looking for a place, you're out in the sun here, great chairs, great pool. I will say the proximity to the beach is just down the hill at the far end of the pool. I'll be doing a couple walks along the beach. And the beach here is beautiful. That's why we're down along, why we came to Mallorca in this area here. There's a ping pong table. If you're looking for it, and it really hasn't been a lot of wind, so the ping pong has been good. There's a lifeguard on duty underneath his big shade, his umbrella there. Not a lot of clouds in the sky. We got the palm trees, beautiful weather. This is the pool here. We're gonna walk back and show you, there's a little bit of a workout area back here if you want to do some chin-ups. There's also a nice sand beach volleyball area back here that we had a lot of fun back here also. Now VISTASOL has 9 floors, 176 rooms. Most of them have kitchenettes. They're considered apartments. I guess you could call them Airbnbs. You could get them on booking.com and a number of other places. This place cost us $60 a night. Thought it was kind of cheap to get off the flight. The A11 bus takes us right here. We wanted to get our bearings. You can see some workout equipment there to the right. Slide for the kids there. But with $60 a night, I thought we'll book in for 2 nights. We'll see a bunch of beaches up along here. Also, there's a bus stop just at the bottom of the hill here that's going to take me into Palma, and I'm going to do a number of videos going into the old town there, and it's just beautiful. So this is fairly early in the day still, but the sun is up. It is hot. Got a lot of people out here. You got some turf right there. Water is good. We're going to walk down here. Now if you keep going down here and to the right, you will go down a set of stairs and you are roughly a 3-minute walk from the beach. So if you're more of a beach person, you're just going to continue to walk to the right, down some stairs, and you will be at the beach. And the beach is beautiful. Sand's beautiful, water's beautiful. And like I said, that's why millions of people come to Mallorca. 33 million people come into that airport. Now we're going to walk in here, and this is where we basically worked out. Well, there's the foosball, if you're into the foosball, but we are going to go into the weight room, and we basically brought the weights out and we did our little circuit out underneath the canopy here instead of being in there. So here is the weight room. We brought a bunch of dumbbells out and some other stuff out and did our workout outside. And you could also do it in the sun if you really wanted to. So 9 floors, 176 rooms. I believe they all have kitchens. Some of them are 2 persons, some of them are 4 persons. We are paying $60 a night. Thought it was a good deal. One kind of negative thing I would say is the Wi-Fi was hit and miss until we told them about it, and then they came up and did something to the modem, and it got better. Especially, you know, as a YouTuber, and we're trying to render stuff and get stuff out on YouTube. So that was a little bit of cause for concern, was the speed of the internet. Other than that, I'm gonna say friendly people, cheap, bang for your buck. You are gonna see the room in approximately 3 or 4 minutes. Pool good, proximity to Magaluf Beach and Palmanova Beach. And the nightlife also, you are a 3-minute walk down to it. I will do another video on just the nightlife. I will walk down by the beach. There are a ton of restaurants of all different kinds of food. We had a burger here and it was also good. So you can see some people eating, I guess they're getting either some breakfast or early lunch there. And like I said, I just happy with my decision about the logistics of getting off that flight. It was an hour flight from Barcelona into Mallorca here. And then it was roughly a 20 to 25 minute bus ride on the A11 to get to the bottom of the hill, and a bit of a kind of a steep walk up the hill. And here we are, checked in, it was quick. And what we're going to do is we are going to head back up here into the front foyer, and then we will go right into the room tour, and it's going to be pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions about this area and the amenities, pop it in the comments section. I will get back to you. I'm going to look up, and there's my other half up there on the 4th floor. I believe we're in 415, and we'll just give you a short walk through our room. Just to give you some context, there's a nice baby grand, white baby grand piano. And we are going to head over here to the elevators. Elevators were fairly quick, having 9 floors, and here we go. We're going to do our room review. Here we are at our room 415. Walk in, straight ahead bathroom, looks pretty clean. Going to take you into the shower, and like I said, it's bare bones, but it is clean. The location is awesome, and it's just big enough for us to get our bearings, to go to a couple beaches along this coast here. We can also get on the bus and head into Palma. We've got the double sink. We got a double burner here. There is no oven or stove. We've got a small refrigerator. We've got a microwave. Got 2 seats if you want to sit this way and eat. There is the living room. That couch is not particularly comfortable. You've got a pretty small TV there. And we are going to walk out. I would say that this view from the balcony is pretty good. But there it is, just straight ahead, clean, nothing extravagant. We come out here, you can see the water out there. So you know how close. We are a 3-minute walk from the Magaluf beach. And if you went a little left, you'd be at the Palmanova beach. There is that volleyball court down there. There is the pool. We've just walked down there. And I would say it's a fairly good vista from up here on the 4th floor, looking out into the Mediterranean Sea, I guess it is. Gonna come back around here and go look at the bedroom. Nothing extravagant, clean, simple, bare bones, but like I said, it's clean. The only issue we had here was the Wi-Fi. For $60, I think we got a good view. Air conditioning worked also at night. Some people love to have it really cold when they sleep. Some people don't use it at all. Whatever your preference, but I will say that the AC did work. So all in all, there it is. The apartment or the Airbnb or whatever this living area is clean. It is basic, $60, I think bang for your buck. And the location and the proximity to that A11 bus in and out to the airport was very good. I would recommend this place, and I will have a number of other videos. With me, I'm going to say ciao for now from Mallorca.